Tired of hearing you need the cloud for real intelligence? Jetson Thor ended that forever.
Ever felt like your robot is stuck in 2022 while the rest of the world moved on? You're slamming into memory walls, choking on latency, begging the cloud for mercy? Sound painfully familiar? I was just talking to a founder who joked that his humanoid could barely finish a sentence before freezing while someone else's robot danced across the room. Drop "stuck" in the comments if you're tired of watching that exact moment happen in your own demos.
Deadlines are breathing down your neck, teammates are burning out, and investors keep asking why the demo still stutters. Meanwhile, the competition casually posts videos of fluid, chatty, dexterous machines like it's no big deal. Imagine if a single board could end that nightmare without adding more chaos, more heat, or another cloud bill. That imagine isn't hypothetical anymore, and if you've been nodding along, keep listening. Meet the NVIDIA Jetson Thor developer kit. 800 TOPS of Blackwell accelerated insanity in one board that finally lets you run massive multimodal foundation models, vision language VLMs, and transformer-based reasoning completely on robot. One startup founder was literally crying 2 months ago because his humanoid couldn't hold a 3-second conversation without lag. After 1 weekend swapping to Thor and Isaac ROS, the same robot was cracking jokes, picking up objects by name, and planning multi-step tasks faster than his human teammates. Unified 512 gigabytes per second memory wipes out copying bottlenecks. The dedicated transformer engine chews through attention layers like candy, and dynamic power sharing keeps everything cool even during insane inference bursts. As one embarrassed Orin user admitted, "I thought 275 TOPS was enough. Then Thor made my robot smarter than my last 3 prototypes combined." Stick around, there's a secret tip coming in paragraph 5 that instantly shaves another 40% off your latency.
Suddenly your robot isn't just moving, it's thinking, adapting, bantering, and manipulating with borderline creepy fluency. Sensor fusion, real-time planning, and generative AI finally live together on one piece of silicon, and efficiency skyrockets. A top-tier university lab director said on record, "We went from praying for 15 frames per second perception to running 4 4K streams plus 2 LLMs plus locomotion with headroom on battery." An industrial lead laughed, "Our inspection line dropped from 8 seconds per part to sub-second while adding natural language defect reporting. Customers think we hired wizards." Thousands of early adopters are quietly bragging that Thor turned their science project into something investors actually fund. Which feature would save your sanity the most? Insane memory bandwidth? The transformer engine that makes VLMs feel lightweight? Or the ASIL-D safety that finally lets you ship to real factories? Comment your biggest pain below. Memory, latency, cloud. I read every single one.
Limited early dev kits are already vanishing, and multiple labs have ordered their 3rd batch because one just isn't enough anymore. Join the thousands of researchers, startups, and Fortune 500 teams who've leveled up and refuse to go back. Don't sit there watching the future happen to someone else. Secure your NVIDIA Jetson Thor developer kit now and unlock the one-line optimization that drops average inference latency by 40% instantly. Comment Thor me if you're ready to make every other robot look drunk in comparison. Let's go.